my sweet girl are going to go on an adventure and take our first ferry trip together. What?
I can't use my hand.
And we are struggling. We are struggling to get. Are you good? Okay. We are struggling. This is a struggle. We are sitting on the struggle bus right now. Gotta make sure that this shit is tight. Okay. Anyway, man, welcome to the channel. I am Uncle Julian. That's my sweet Appalachian. And we are gonna go on a ferry adventure. We're gonna take a ferry all the way down to the another state of Delaware, and we are gonna go meet up with her best friend and have lunch, and I'm gonna get job interviewed by her, and that's gonna be so much fun. And we're gonna saddle up and we're gonna go. Ugh. Oh, 111, sweetie, in case. All right, get on. Ugh. She's struggling. She's on the struggle bus. Okay. All right, anyway, now that we got that sorted out, we're gonna go. Oh, babe, what are you doing? All right. All right. Now we are on our way to the Cape May Lose ferry. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I've never been on a ferry before, and neither has she. But there's a first time for everything. It is a cold, cold morning, about 47 degrees maybe. And just want to make sure that she's all right. Oh boy. Oh boy, indeed. And yep. Cold, cold, cold. But yes. Because it's like when I slow down, you're like, ugh. All right. You're right, I don't. And now we're gonna try to get there as soon as possible. So stay tuned, and we will catch you when we're on the boat. Well, we made it to the terminal. We have our own lane. Hi, sweetie.
My bug?
Yeah, I see your bug. But yep, made on the beautiful BMW S1000RR. I love this thing. And people are looking at us because they're like, what are they doing? Well, we are waiting to get onto the ferry. Waiting. You probably can't even hear me, but yeah, mini golf. So beautiful. Let's see. And then I will see you on the boat. Oh man, so we're moving now. Now we're moving. We're shoving off. The 50-50, it's sink or swim.
Oh my God.
And those are our chances. And we're off. A beautiful BMW S1000RR.
Every time.
That's where we left from. And now and walk around the boat and have fun. Fucking birds.
Like that. Stop.
This beautiful BMW S1000 on a ferry, and there's so many people.
You only got 0.5?
Yeah, like all the birds, they keep following us. Brittany's not having a good time. She hates it. She doesn't even want to be on camera. She's so upset. All right, so we're here, about to go home. We're in Lewes, Delaware, and hi, cutie. And we're just waiting. It's not for another like 45 minutes, but you know, we're first in line, and we're just gonna wait. Yeah, all good. We got la policía, and we got fucking. There we are.